Hello everyone, welcome to PickoCode YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to start a Maven project or how to create new Maven project from IntelliJ. I have already opened IntelliJ ID instance. Then I will go to new project. You have to select Maven. You have to select what is the Java version. I have only installed Java 8. If you have installed any other, you can select whatever Java JVM version. Next one architect, let's say Maven 2. One, okay, version. Next, it will create inside this. Since there is already open project, I'll click on this one, then this will close and the new one will be open. If you need both, you can select new window. Then you have to select enable auto import. This will resolve every dependencies which are at from POM file or your internal library jars included dependencies will be resolved by enable by automatically. Let's wait few seconds. Then after it will take some time. Then you can go to this one and this folder and main. This is the main folder and this is the test folder. Wherever implementation you are doing, right here you can do add whatever class or package. Inside packages you can add classes, those kind of things you can add, and what are the unit test, those kind of things you can write here using testng or whatever. uh, then how we build it, this is and will no need of that. We need Maven. You have to select the project, click on lifecycle, clean, compile, install. Let's build it. I already have a project video how to build the project, but I'll quickly go through it in this video as well. Since there is no test cases, it will pass, but if you have any test cases, then it will try to run those as well. Therefore click on this one, skip test. This is the best way to, the safer way to, without failing for build successful. Okay, cool. So this is the way you can go do what implementation, and you can run it, and you can mention what is the uh, way you are packaging. It is a jar file or whatever. So you can add dependencies here, add build configurations here, whatever things you need to have as the configurations of the project. I believe you have understands whatever basis of, as a beginner, basis of Maven or Spring Boot and Maven and IntelliJ. I hopefully I'm planning to continue Spring Boot development YouTube video sessions in the future. So there, please subscribe my channel and hit on the bell button for latest update. Thank you very much.